Hello everyone, my name is Manik and with me we have Mr. Anuj Sidharth, Deputy Director of Corporate Communication and Marketing, MediaTek. Now, we are at the India Gaming Conclave today and Sir has some really good insights to share about MediaTek and its preparation. So right now we just had a discussion where you were talking about MediaTek preparing for 5G. So can you let our viewers know how MediaTek is working on implementing 5G and making full use of the proper speed and potential of 5G in the upcoming smartphones or in the current MediaTek lineup?
Thank you so much for having me here. And at MediaTek, we are always at the forefront of technology. And that's when it even comes to 5G, we have always been ready with 5G technology. With that of our chipset family, which is called as MediaTek Dimensity series, it caters to the entire segment of chipsets, whatever is the need from entry segment to the mid segment, the premium to that of a flagship segment.
Right.
Our entire chipset family supports the any feature you can think about today, be it enhancing the AI bit, be it enhancing the gaming experience. Today we talked about in this conclave, be it the camera experience, overall performance experience, right? So when it comes to the gaming experience, we have our technology called as MediaTek HyperEngine technology, which actually enhances the overall gaming experience and gameplay for the gamers out here.
Right.
Talking about the overall camera experience, awesome camera, awesome video capabilities. So when it comes to gaming, it's each and every small millisecond it counts, and that's when our technology is catering to that. So there are different cores, what we have in the chipset. So small cores would take care of the tasks, in which we don't need a bigger cores, right? And vice versa. And that's when the kind of battery optimization, which we get from these devices is really awesome. Cool phones with the higher battery life. Lately we have seen a lot of phones which have been launched forward by MediaTek Dimensity series, which are supporting the entire ecosystem, keeping the requirement of end consumers. So yes, we have been always ready, and our technology is ready, very much available. People are using them happily. They're enjoying the technology. I'm sure, with MediaTek also, it's just not only about 5G or smartphones, but also about the overall, we cater around 2 billion devices a year, which is a mix of smartphones and smart devices. So I'm sure, some smart device you're already using at your home, at your office, or maybe in your pocket as well.
I am using a couple of MediaTek devices for now. Okay, but I would like to talk about one chip in particular, the Dimensity 9000.
Yeah.
Okay, can you elaborate on some of the gaming capabilities and other capabilities of that chip? What did MediaTek have in mind while creating that chip?
Wow, that is an awesome chip. This chip has created a lot of buzz for us since last year until today. In fact, early last week, OnePlus has launched OnePlus Nord 3 5G device, which is powered by the amazing capabilities of Dimensity 9000. So this chip is a thorough chip, which you can think for any of the capabilities and you'll get in this chip. This chip was certainly designed keeping, a flagship and a premium user, who would expect a great phone experience, powered by MediaTek. This phone has, come out with a lot of interesting, innovative factors also, phone factors, Let me tell you about the flip phone, which was launched by Oppo. Let me talk about the fold phone, which was launched by Tecno. Let me talk about the gaming phone, which was launched by Asus last year, So you name a tech, feature, this chipset is catering to the best of the camera, best of the gaming, best of the optimization when it comes to the power optimization, battery optimization. It's such a great device. Not only that, even at NWC, OnePlus has launched a tab as well, an awesome tab experience which you get out of this phone. So power management, resource optimization, HyperEngine, I can keep on going.
That tab is one of the devices that I have right now.
Oh wow, awesome.
And last question for our viewers, how is MediaTek looking at AI as the future, and is there any particular technology that you would like to talk about on behalf of MediaTek, as in how it's going to be incorporated in your future phones to make better use of artificial intelligence?
I think AI,
or for gaming and for content creators.
I think AI is something which is already there, which is already existing.
Right.
And we also have MediaTek Dimensity open resource architecture, which was being implemented since last year by a lot of OEM friends, to cater to any kind of a requirement they would like to bring out and work closely with us for an end consumer, be it an AI, be it a camera, be it overall gaming experience, they work closely with us. Talking specifically about AI here, well, AI is the core of technology now, as we know, right? So it's available in some way or other, be it in a form of a smartphone optimization, be it in a form of overall smart devices. It is very much already available, from MediaTek, and end consumers can certainly, we can certainly, give you the list of devices, which are already having AI inbuilt in that. And in from a smartphone optimization, AI is very much there in the camera. AI is very much there in the gaming experience that enhances the overall experience of a smartphone when it comes to these key features, applications of a smartphone.
Wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for your time. It was a lovely interaction.
Same.
And I got to learn a lot, and I hope our viewers also got to learn a lot about MediaTek and the gaming capabilities and the overall capabilities of the phone that are up and coming, phones that are up and coming with these chips. Okay. And so I think that would be all from me. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
And for you viewers, this was Mr. Anuj Sidharth from MediaTek. We are at the India Gaming Conclave, and my name is Manik, and I'll catch you in the next.